Hi guys, I'm here today with the lovely Beauticianchic. She is going to do my makeup, you know how glamorous she does it, and also I'll be wearing a wig. Please continue to watch.
Oh my god, you're born for this. Oh my god. You're so born for this, girl.
Yeah.
You need your own YouTube channel, I always tell you.
That was fun.
I love it, girl. You're born for this. Like you've been doing this forever. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So we can get started. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm gonna just start with good.
So was you going to do my makeup here?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. So yeah. I did become black hair, girl.
I don't
Just
know.
like that.
It actually looks nice. I actually really
Yeah.
like it.
You look good. Black hair. Wow. Black hair looks so much better than on you.
Yeah, it does. It really stands out.
Yeah.
I think last time you done this as well, I had the same mark on my nose.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
I know.
Oh my god.
I think it's stress as well.
Oh, it's
If you look back, you'll
Oh
see
god,
it.
look, wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. 3 years later, the same thing.
Wow. Why do I have a feeling it's not in the middle? Is it in the middle?
Yeah. Just, that's what I'm thinking, just a slight little...
Makeup. There's a lot you can do to make it natural. You can even color the lace, with your
Okay.
foundation and all of that. Put a little powder at the end as well. And looks more realistic.
I used to like, you know this part you're cutting?
Yeah.
Mine are very long and I
Yeah.
hated it. But now like everyone loves it. It's
Yeah,
coming
it's
in
true,
style.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's crazy, isn't it? Sometimes how life is.
Yeah.
1 minute everybody hates something.
Yeah, next minute is fashion.
Yeah. I start looking like it's not on your skin. So this just gives an
Okay.
extra like coolish effect. So it kind of look like a stick, even though it's not going to stick completely. You can just pull it off. We're going to tie the front,
Okay.
just so it helps it to like stick more. So I'm going to use that. I'm just going to stick it a little bit. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't mind.
Wearing wigs must keep your head warm.
Isn't it?
Yeah, because my head feels nice and warm.
Maybe because it's your first time as well.
Yeah, definitely.
That's why you feel different. Me, it's
You're used to it, yeah.
I don't even feel like I'm warm. I feel like I'm still cold.
Cold.
I really like it with black hair though.
Same, I like it as well.
I think you should color your hair black.
I know, I was thinking.
Just for fun.
Because there was this thing on Facebook the other day and it kind of changed your hair
Did
colour.
you change your hair color?
And it went red, black and blonde.
Easy.
And the one that looked nice was the black.
Easy.
So now I see.
Oh wow. I see a lot of people using that app. I have never used it.
Yeah, it's quite good actually.
Is it?
It's just a bit of fun, you know.
Isn't it? Which is good. I'll try use it and see what. Nowadays you can give yourself a makeover
Yep.
online, isn't it? Like your hair and I put a wig, like her natural hair is better.
Oh, okay.
Like yes, she knows her natural hair is good. She's just trying something else.
Yeah, exactly.
She wears her natural hair 24 hours a day.
Exactly.
This is something new. So it's not you to now say her natural hair actually looks better. Like at the end of the day, after 2 days, she's still gonna go back to her natural hair. So if you don't understand, this is just makeup. This is fun. Even makeup, people don't wear makeup every day. Like I don't wear makeup every day.
Same.
Like, oh, she looks better with that makeup. She looks better with makeup. Like, Come on. Yeah. Hair all tied up.
Yeah.
Okay. At the makeup section. It's funny. Look how I am. Brown around you. Like people like, Otisha, you white. You know?
Yeah.
It's funny, isn't it?
You are very light.
I'm very
you?
light, but then when I say, "Oh
You
my
look
God,
white.
you're too light, you're too white," but look at me.
Yeah.
Like I don't look light.
Now they can see.
Yeah. I don't. Wow. Okay, so we can do the brows first. Wow, you're getting there.
Yeah.
Okay, I think. See.
Looks like it's drawn on already.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah.
Looks so much different already.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Really nice. Almost moisturize.
Apart from this red thing.
No, it's fine.
It needs to go. Make sure you look back on the other video.
Oh, you
You're
see,
gonna
that's
see
crazy.
It's crazy.
That's crazy, though, if that's actually true.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Maybe.
Just a MAC woman, yeah?
Yeah. I love them. Because it gives good cover. You see, just the foundation, you see.
True. Wow.
See the coverage already.
The red is gone.
Mm-hmm.
These beauty blenders are good as well, aren't
Yeah.
they?
I prefer to use beauty blenders.
Same.
Yeah, see? How that's just
Wow.
work magic.
Just
See?
literally.
Yeah, see.
So how much is a MAC foundation?
25 or 26 pounds or something like that.
Foundation does last me quite a while, so it'll
Because you don't
probably
use it all the time.
yeah. Because you know the High Pro concealer, one lasted me from February. It just ran out last month.
Wow.
Yeah, so I don't use that much.
See?
Wow. True.
So it's always good to, before
Go
you find
over,
out
yeah.
where they set, you put it to do that and just immediately you set.
Oh, okay. So is banana powder and this two different things?
Yeah, this one is much lighter, which is what I think is good for you. Banana powder will make it more yellowish.
Yeah, it
So,
does.
Yeah, it's too dark for you.
So what do you use banana powder for?
I can use it for my complexion.
Okay.
But you're too light for that. It's gonna make you look orange, like the wake up,
Yeah, it does.
like the first wake up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now, I'm used to using the same color of the foundation to set. Then, I'll now go back and contour just the chin area. And the
So
face.
this is to set the foundation.
Yeah. So is this?
So I spoke to someone and they said that they're willing to do the £10.
Okay.
Wow.
See?
Wow.
Girl.
Amazing.
You're popping. I'm putting the light on now, so I'm gonna use that from the middle.
Wow.
So the same foundation that I use now, that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use that at the beginning here. Wow.
But you know, practice.
Yeah, it makes perfect, of course. Girl, ooh. Ooh. Easy.
Yeah. They always water.
So I'm just gonna do the makeup. Let's see. Ooh. Wow, it's a nice color.
Oh, that is very nice, actually.
there. And there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, I think it's perfect. Perfect. So at this point, I'm just gonna clean all the setting powders, all the powders.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what's this one? A setting powder again.
No, this is a mineralized skin finish.
Oh, okay.
So you just use it to dust the setting powder. Yeah, it's nice. It's just a mineral skin finish. It's not as heavy as the other one that I used to contour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So amazing.
Everything is coming together.
Dun, dun.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. So now we're going to continue the contouring process. You know I did contour before, so I'm going to continue. Well, I think this is so much better than the first time I did the makeup. Maybe because that one I did your makeup like traditional way.
Did you?
Yeah, because you're wearing a traditional headgear, so I have to make
Okay.
the brows and all of that kind of stuff. But our makeup is kind of like Indian when we do wedding. We exaggerate everything, like everything look crazy, and I do like a cut crease shadow for you. You know, cut crease are kind of intense.
Yeah.
Let's see on the straight. Yes. Let's smile again. Let's go. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah.
Nice.
I like that. You are meant for Hollywood. Start kicking up.
True, just clock together.
Okay, that's nice. Ooh, nice. So I'm just gonna get a liner, like a liner almost the same color as that. Yes, nice. I think that's better. Yes, girl. Wow, look at you. Oh my god, there's something that's not smooth underneath here. Yep.
Fixed in no time.
Yes, girl.
It's your talent.
It can't come and mess me up, black dots. I think it's from the liner.
Probably.
Can't mess me up. I got you. Okay. Mist on tear. It's always good. So, just see, it makes a difference.
A big difference.
Who's that girl?
Na, na, na. So it's like the moisture goes on the half of my lip.
Yeah, dear. I think you just can't have that. If it's my colleague one more time, I'm gonna just put some scissors on your lip and cut your lip.
I promise I won't. I won't them.
The struggle. Oh, just a lip.
It's so hard.
Just leave. That's one thing. Leave. I didn't ask you to do something hard.
I know. Don't push them together.
Yeah. Lord have mercy. Who's that?
I feel so glam. Wow.
Okay, so if you come back, ooh, girl.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It looks more realistic like that even.
Yeah, that does.
Okay.
Well, hello again, guys. We have now finished and completed my hair and makeup. Don't I look so fabulous? Any kind of style, any look, get at the Beauticianchic and you know you are sorted. I absolutely love it. I'm sure you all will too. Thank you.